Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got a drywall project coming up, you want to have the right tools, you are going to want to pick this up. This is the 13-inch aluminum MARSHALLTOWN Hawk. We have found this to be so helpful. We are working on a renovation of a home in a garage that needs a lot of drywall work, and we are complete novices. So originally when we were starting this project, we put our mud or joint compound into a traditional drywall trough, and we just had such a hard time mixing it and getting it out of there. And then we discovered this MARSHALLTOWN Hawk, and it is so much easier. It's so easy to hold. It has this soft grip handle on the bottom, and because it is a big open flat space, you can easily mix up your mortar or mud or joint compound, whatever you're working with here, and it makes it so much easier to get the job done. We also appreciate that it is lightweight. It does have this really nice grip and soft callus preventer foam. So it's really comfortable to use for even a long time if you have a big project, and it's also really easy to clean. So we would definitely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.